Every day, we meet people who need a little help. A kind word, a simple question, or a small action can make a big difference. Today, let's learn real-life English through 3 everyday moments: helping an old man cross the road, offering support to an old woman on the bus, and guiding a lost child back to safety. These are simple conversations, but they come from a kind heart. Our first moment begins on a busy street where patience and kindness matter most. Oh, excuse me, sir. Are you trying to cross the road?
Yes, dear. The traffic is a bit fast today.
I understand. Would you like some help?
That would be very kind. Thank you.
Please take your time. I'll walk with you.
Thank you. My legs aren't as strong as before.
That's okay. We can go slowly.
You're very thoughtful.
The light is green now. Let's go.
All right. Thank you for watching the cars.
No problem. We're almost there.
I feel much better with your help.
There we go. We made it safely.
Yes, we did. Thank you so much, Emma.
You're very welcome. Are you okay now?
Yes, thanks to you. Have a lovely day, my dear.
You too, sir. Take care.
I will. Thank you again.
Kindness doesn't stop there. Sometimes it continues on a quiet bus ride. Good morning.
Good morning, dear.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please, sit down.
Thank you.
It's quite crowded today.
Yes, it is. The bus is usually full in the morning.
That's true.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is. Not too hot and not too cold.
Perfect for a bus ride.
Exactly.
Do you need help getting off the bus?
That's very kind of you. Yes, please.
No problem. I'll help you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
You too, dear.
And sometimes being kind means helping someone feel safe again.
Hi there. Are you okay?
I think I'm lost.
It's okay. Don't worry. What happened?
I can't find my mom.
Okay, let's stay calm. Do you know your mom's name?
Yes, her name is Anna.
Good. Do you have her phone number?
It's on my bag.
Let's ask for help together.
Okay. Okay.
We can wait here or talk to a police officer.
Thank you for helping me.
Everything will be okay.
I feel better now.
You did a great job staying calm.
Thank you.